Lower part of Alexandria Park. Lower part I call the area near the river Ros. So, red circle. It's a nice bridge. It's located in the middle pond. So the upper pond, nothing interesting. Here is the middle pond, very picturesque area, and recommend to visit this place in October, in the period of golden autumn. Very nice and beautiful. There are a lot of ducks, two swans at least I saw, yeah. And here is the Chinese bridge itself. It was built up in the 19th century as far as I remember. And further we see the lower pond near the Ros River. When here is a lot of rain and the middle pond is overflowed, and through this channel, we can say, yes, the water goes to the lower pond. Yellow circle, here is the lower pond. Blue circle, here is, I call this area embankment of Ros River. Small bridge, yeah, and some paths along the river Ros. In the nearby lake there are a lot of water lilies. Here is the Ros River, yeah. Here is a lake with water lilies, but I recommend to see water lilies to come here in August when it's blossoming. Proper location, very nice tree. Initially I thought that here is an oak, but when I came near there was inscription, and I read that here is black poplar, yeah. So poplars can be very different. Yeah. Red circle, here is the statue, the area near the statue Mother of God. Blue circle, here is ruins. Yeah, the people call it this area ruins. Maybe 100 or 200 years ago here was some building, but at least when this area was recovered under the Second World War, the local authority recovered this place as ruins. Some small waterfall, and again a place for photo sessions. here is a lower pond. In Alexandria Park there are two cascades. One cascade where we saw Chinese bridge, and here is another cascade, and here is the lower pond of second cascade. Yeah. So as we can see, the age of this tree is over 100 years. So as I said, maybe 100-200 years ago here was some building, but now it's like ruins. Replica, of course. Replica of ruins. Blue circle, here is again this lower pond, and very nice area of water lilies. Small waterfall again from the middle pond. Here is the middle pond. If you go to the left side, there is a statue of ancient Greek warrior. And friendly speaking, this is the all main attractions of Alexandria Park. But the area is very big. Of course, maybe you can find some small monuments or benches, so on and so on, but these are the main one. So welcome to Alexandria Park.